Good morning!
It's been ages and I'm back. Woohoo!
Excitement on Lucy's unfathomable. Right, we're here, we're back at Towers. 6 weeks since we've been back.
Longer for me.
And it's even exciting because I can see the Scarefest hearse. Scarefest. We're with Alan. Where are you? There you are. Morning. Stevie's not very well, so she's not joining us today.
Elliot's gone off on a pelt.
Elliot's running off towards CBeebies. And me and Alan are going to get on the Smiler because it's a bit windy and I think it might close. Lucy's declined the offer, she's going into CBeebies.
I can't resist. What the heck?
So let's go. Here's the hearse in all its smoking glory. I do like the Alton Towers hearse. I've never seen those effects on it before though, which is quite good. I think we might try and get our tickets today. Alan's vlogging the hearse as well.
Hello.
Hello. So we're entering the X of sectors to hopefully get on the Smiler. We did hear it testing just a minute ago. So it is windy, but it's not too bad at the moment. So this will be the first one that goes down if it does get high winds, which we are expecting. Oblivion, haven't seen it testing, but that's on ERT. And as you can see, everybody has gone to Wickerman. There's absolutely not one soul here at the moment, which is quite worrying. But we'll see how we get on. The maintenance men are working. I think they are just testing it. See if we can see one go around. They are moving the trains into the loading station. So I think they're just giving the train to test over. There is no one here, as I say, so let's go and have a look at Oblivion and see if that's open. So we're going into Oblivion. They've just opened the queue line. We should be on the very first train. So it's just like to split a little bit. And they are sending loads of trains around the Smiler now, so get on this, get straight over to Smiler. Open. So we've just had 2 goes on Oblivion, which is really good. The second seat, the harness was really loose, so I got a real loads of hang time on that, which was 8. We have seen this tested. The queue line is open, so we should get on that. Might try and get a couple of goes on this before we head off. We're right by the noisiest speaker in the queue line as well, which is brilliant. So it should be open in about a couple of minutes. We're taking shelter as the rain is starting to come down a little bit now. We have had 2 goes on Smiler though. Back row, I did front row, Alan did third row on the second go because we had single rider. My god, it's rough today.
I think it must vary by the train because like the first train we were on, I thought it was really rough. And then that second train wasn't too bad, whereas you said
the first train was alright.
The first train we were on the same train because we were on the same, we went in the normal queue, then we went back on single rider.
We were back row for that. And then it's the last 3 inversions, it's just so painful. I mean, I was front left on the second train and I enjoyed it, but oh my god, it hurt. But yeah, I feel rattled, but we're going to go over to Purita now. As it swings round. Just let's go. As we're entering the dark forest, quite oh, dropped me things, got it back. It's very the mood with the hazy rain and dark clouds, and a walk on Purita. So let's get on it.
Keep your head back. Hold on tight. You must escape. Go, go, go.
It stopped raining and
Rained on by the bushes now.
Yeah. So we've just had a go front row on Rita, which was ace, in the rain, stung our faces. But what a smooth ride that was today. Really.
Yeah, it was really smooth. Just a shame about the rain to the face.
Yeah, one thing over another, isn't it? So we're having a little walk now. We went to go on Wickham, but it's 40 minutes. The op seemed quite slow on 13, so we could give that a miss as well. So they were sending the train and then an empty train, which is fair enough because there's no queue, but they do have to have a certain capacity, which they tell me, on the train before they can send it. So we're gonna head over to Nemesis, see what that's doing, and ride that, which will probably start raining again. We're back. We enter the Forbidden Valley. Right, I just heard someone say this was closed, so we're gonna, oh no, it's going, that's great. We're on. Alan's also vlogging in front. So, let's catch this coming over the corkscrew as we go around. Courtyard. We've left Forbidden Valley because it started raining again. We did get on Galactica though, which was alright to be fair. So we're going on the welcome in now. Have a pit stop and a beer and wait for Lucy. Enjoy your boogie in Pizza Pasta Buffet?
Yeah.
Then were you enjoying your boogie in Katanga Canyon alleyway?
Yeah. I don't know which one I prefer.
Huh.
They both have their benefits. Yeah.
Very simple.
Really?
So we're full of pizza and pasta and buffet and all that good stuff. It stopped raining, the sun's come out temporarily, and now we're going to head to Wickham, because apparently it's a 15-minute wait. This, I'm not too sure. We'll have a look. Row down. I think someone has dropped their phone or something. We've got a guy coming in there, and there's been people searching this part of the track. So see where he goes and what he finds. Elliot, what you just been on? Did you like it? What was the best thing about it? Can't hear you. Ah, very good. Thumbs up. Monorail. So, did you get on Wicker Man? Can't get the angle right in this camera. There you go.
Yeah, because it broke down, Dad.
Oh, sorry. You've been informed that it broke down. So you're going to tell people what happened.
So, I was very excited to go on Wicker Man, my only adult ride of the day. We got to the front of the queue. I was in the first row, which I was very, very cool and calm about. And then the ride stopped. Got it.
So I'll put some footage in here. I think someone dropped their phone. Nemesis is about to swing around here. It's a bit windy. Yeah, so I think someone dropped a phone or something because there's a work guide. But I'll put that footage in there, you can have a look at it. But now Lucy's going to go at her second adult ride. Nemesis. Well, you did technically try and get it.
Well, yeah, it's not my second ride, is it? Because I didn't get that.
Second queuing.
Second queue.
Off you trot.
Wish me luck.
We've taken refuge in a canopy in the shop. Sweet. And it's an Owen and from lollipops. Started chucking it down. X sector's closed. You said go on Nemesis front row. Get a drink. So we're going to call this a day. Got quite a lot today. This morning we did anyway, before the rain and wind hit. It's been fairly quiet. I think the weather's kind of stopped people from coming. But a good tip is, everyone does go to Wicker Man, and they still do go to Wicker Man. So if you want to try and get on all the rides and then have that hour to queue for Wicker Man, our advice is go to an X sector first, then return the Nemesis, and then back round. And then you should go on everything, I think, in one day.
I wouldn't know. I always go to CBeebies land. I could give you CBeebies tips if you like.
So the boys have run off to steal lollipops, so we're going to go. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you've enjoyed our video. Probably Lucy put some other stuff in there.
I need to go.
They need to go. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks Fallon for joining us as well.
It's been a good day.
Yes, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.